Yeah, we could have just left that price out.
I still left it up there.
Oh! No, not that.
Bro, it's hot as shit.
Right? Everything
We opened
feels
our
all
window.
moist.
Yeah, I opened mine too.
You didn't fill up too much.
That's all the way to the top.
It's not overflowing.
You see that drain over there?
Uh-huh.
It's all the way to the
It's
top.
not overflowing.
Ooh, I got 4G, baby. It works. It works, baby.
Nah, you lying to me.
This is the window. That's second. It's supposed to be down or whatever. This smoke is coming out. You called me the one.
It looks like you had like.
Cards.
It looks like you only had one card.
How? I had it spread out.
No, you didn't at first. Don't you do what you doing? You fucking crazy bitch. They really do look like a damn leaf. Okay, focus. There we go. It's raining outside, but hey, he got a little bit of shelter. Yeah, what you doing, dude? Bye. Ciao, dude. Let's go.
Hey man, it's all how you cook it, boy. All in how you cook it. Got that pot roast chicken, you know, your cheese. Hey, MRE style.
Okay. I'll go.
She look bang it.
Look good, I'm good. Oh yeah, spread it a little.
Better than a bitch.
Oh, no.
Look at that.
Have some damn sardines, some tortillas. We got a cinnamon bun, bro. Some noodle and some first strike, bro. Lady than a titty. Lady than a titty. Bro, what are you doing, Todd?
Making the toast.
What that is?
Make the toast.
On a stick.
Two
Bro,
stick.
two stick is small. A little chopstick?
Yeah, bro.
Bro. You fucking genius, dude.
Oh, burning. Something's burning. Ooh, burning. Burning. Alright, it's good. It's good. You see this river? This is the Nile River. Nile River.
Bro, it's so small though.
That's the Nile River. One down there in Africa? Yeah.
Boy. Gotta get the bay back. Still a lot of fuck though.
Yeah.
Whole roof came off of this building. On the top there. By God.
Come back around. Oh, really?
Yeah, that's excellent than what you think it is.
All safe and sound. Now we finally get to eat. Oh my God, dude. The was so heavy. Bro. Yo, squash it. Squash it. Okay, I don't even know what the f*** about, dude.
Is this sweet, yeah?
Huh?
Amazing.
It's a big cup, dude. You probably can't see it on camera, bro. Put it up to your face again. Holy that's a big cup, dude. Oh my God.
Now that's a large.
Oh my. Whole line going out the door. Oh my God. You already know, helping out the people. We gotta help them out, dude. A little bit at a time.
Dude, this reminds me of when I had to push my buddy's little Civic uphill. Cause why do you think it's a good idea to go on that farm?
YOLO! Bro!
On Brad's side, at least he made it out before it died.
Yeah, wait. I thought Saturn was a Pontiac.
No, Saturn is its own make.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, there on Yop Road, where
The flood?
yeah, where
Oh,
there's
there. The entrance?
I
Yeah.
went through that.
You good?
All her working party.
Always open. What are you doing? Smashed by its own home.
There was a long ass lizard over there just laying out. Oh my god,
Via
stop.
Marie, they say
Smith.
don't do it.
What?
Do it. Bad idea. Do it. Not. Absolutely not.
What are you saying, Smith?
Don't do it. Don't do it.
That's a whole tree, dude. Yeah. Sketchy, dude. God.
Again.
He just made the whole ground shake, dude. Boy, she looks so happy. Oh, we lit, dude. We out here.
You say you need a sharpener?
Oh, God.
Okay, Mr. 150 pounds.
Oh, nobody want no goddamn chips though.
Hey, watch out there, big fella. Don't fall there, big fella.
Boy. They ain't got no queso.
Sound like a porno.
That's a terrible porno. I'd turn from that.
This guy.
Esquivel reacts.
Okay, come on. Get it up. That counts. Ooh.
Come on, Jimmy. Come on. Yep, crawl on it. Crawl on it, Jimmy. Jimmy. Oh my God, dude. Come on. There you go. Yep. Come on. Jimmy. Come on. Come on. There you go. Good boy, Jimmy. Lady than a tootie.
All her working party.
Lady than a tootie.